What up, gang gang? What up, squad? And I am back with another video. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, could you please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell once you subscribe to notify you every time I drop a new banger. What up, squad? I am back, and guess what I'm about to do? Yep, I'm about to wax my son. I know you just didn't get it. Go cut my hair episode. You didn't just came and interrupt my video. That's my husband's son, y'all. Dang. But I am about to wax my son underarms. And I want to see how he react to this. You gonna let me wax yours too?
Take it down.
I got $10 if you let me get one armpit.
No, you can do my leg. For $5.
Is you got her on your leg?
A little bit.
Well, ain't no her. Your leg like a girl's.
A little bit.
Ain't no her on your leg.
A little bit.
His legs more slick than mine. Go on somewhere. Get on. I wrapped in my video. But yeah, my son really hairy under his arms, and I'm about to wax his underarm pits. I'm going to set up the camera, and we're going to get his reaction on how he act when I wax him. I'll be back. I'm back. This the wax that I found at Walmart, y'all. And I am about to wax my son. He over here taking off. Take your hoodie off.
I need to take my hoodie off.
Okay. Come stand over here. First, I gotta wipe it with one of these wipes.
Make it soft.
He's stupid. He's stupid. Tell the gang hi. You gonna tell the gang hi?
What's up,
He
gang?
nervous. You already said hi. Yeah, I said hi. See, he nervous. Tell him how you feel, because this is your reaction.
I ain't nervous.
Show him how much hurt you got in your arm.
I
Walk
don't
over
got
there.
that much.
You got enough. But here, you wipe it.
What?
You wipe it off.
What is this?
That's just to clean it. Okay.
Dirt off.
Now do that. Suck it dry. This is what they look like. Kevin, you next.
Ooh,
You?
please.
You are next.
Yeah, all right. You good wax. If I throw it on. You look nervous.
Come on, get them nerves out. I paid this man.
You about
he
to
ain't
do
doing
you
it
about
for
to do
free.
the whole thing?
Yes.
Or you just
What you
gonna
want
do
me to
like a
leave?
strip?
No, I'm getting it good for the peeps, for the squad.
I thought you just gonna do like a little.
Would you man up? You let these people pump you with
Man
fur.
up, boy.
These the wax strips right here with the wax on them. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
They on there. You gotta rip them apart. They stuck together like this.
I see it.
You gonna do it sideways or you?
I'm gonna do it the long way, bro.
Man, come on, man.
Come on. Over so the squad can see.
Oh, you wanna
Why you gotta
see
do
it?
me? Why you had to do yourself?
Dude, I paid you. You wanna get my money back?
Why? I don't understand why you can't do yourself.
Lift your arm my way up. Quit letting these people put
You
the
been
fur.
growing her under
Why
your
is you
arm
letting
just
them
for this.
fur?
What do you think you need to do? Come on, you going slow?
It ain't gonna hurt. I gotta put it on there first, bro.
Nah, cause I can already feel it already.
Come on, dude. Well, give my money back.
No, it's already on.
Come on.
Why you? Can I pull it off?
No.
Why?
Cause it is no thrill if I don't do it. Stop. Cause you ain't even let me rub it all the way on there. You gotta let it sit for a minute. Turn towards the squad. Dang. You being a baby.
Since I'm being a baby, you gotta go after me, and you gotta let me pull it off.
Alright, but you gonna pay me $20.
I'm not paying you nothing. It's your video. You grew her under your arms.
So
Just for this.
I can do it with a razor.
No. You at least letting me do one of yours.
The squad, man.
Why you put both of them on there?
Cause you got a lot of hair. It go across your arm. You keep getting out of the camera.
I ain't ready.
I'm not finna pull it yet. Dang, I'm not finna pull it. You would let these niggas hype you up. Look at me. Come on, stop. You letting them hype you up. You gonna let them know you scared? Come on, bro. You ready?
No, I ain't ready.
Okay.
Ooh, Jesus.
Why you keep letting it down?
Cause it gotta stick good, man.
She try to stay good so you gonna feel anything.
No, you ain't. Why did you let Melvin hype
Cause
you
I
up?
am. He ain't lying.
Come up.
It's just like taking the
You
tape
wanted
off.
that money, right?
You wrap us up.
Okay. On the count of 3.
Hey, what you doing? I ain't ready.
Okay, Junior, you cannot pull it, dude.
Hold on, let me see something. Let me
Stop.
see something.
Well, you gonna give my money back.
I ain't gonna pull it off. I'm just trying to. That hurt ain't gonna come off. It's
Come
not gonna
on, bro. Raise your arm up. You messing it up.
You can't go
hurt
fast.
you, dude.
Go slow. It's gonna hurt worse.
I don't care.
All right, I'll go slow. Shit. Let me know when you ready. How can you got to hold your arm up? Let me know when you ready.
I'm ready.
On the count of 3. 1, 2. You gotta let them see.
Hold on. Cause you take it too long.
Okay. Don't count to 3. Just rip. You gotta let them see you turning away from them. Come on, bro. He is such a baby.
A line you come on.
That hurt.
They supposed to see your fucking reaction and you running away from the camera.
Cause it hurt.
I know it, bro.
You need to get it off.
It still burned too.
His thick ass hair didn't even come off. Come show them. It didn't even come off.
It still hurt.
Look at all that hair still there.
It hurt.
Come on.
You gotta get $10 back.
Come on.
Forshay.
Yeah, I gotta get $10 back.
No.
Well, let me do the other one. Here, watch with
You
this.
just got wax and stuff on it.
He is a baby, man. You know, let them hype you up, thought it was gonna hurt that bad. It took little plugs. You got little plugs missing out of it.
I told you, dude, doing that sideways.
Sideways, yeah. Other one.
Hey, boy, come here. Come here.
You ain't in the camera. He gone?
Yeah. He is?
Probably.
Probably went to the store.
Yeah.
Oh!
Maybe he gotta sit a little minute because the other one it didn't even rip it off.
Right, you gotta wait. You're going too quick because you're thirsty.
For me, yeah.
I'm next. Look at me.
You gonna let me wax your leg?
Thank you, man. I don't know. It's just $20, bro. I wouldn't have did that.
Really?
$20. You did that for free anyway. Yeah, I'm just used to it. Oh, see, she said.
For $20, I couldn't wax your
Then she overdoing
armpit.
it because she wanted to spread it out smooth and all. She trying to get it good on you, bro.
That's how you supposed to do it, though.
Man, I know you're gonna piss for the bar.
Do this one still burn?
Yeah, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
I let this girl wax me.
Really?
But she has the stick where you rub
Yeah.
out.
What she wax you with?
That hurt.
What she wax
Yeah,
you?
that hurt worse.
But that hurt worse.
I know. That's why I said it hurt. But I didn't know you had those. I thought
What she
had
wax you with?
on my leg.
Why you wax your legs?
Because she wanted to.
This.
It was for some money too, though.
It's even too tough. See, you messing it up,
How am
bro.
I messing it up?
Keep your arms up. Dang, I want to
If she,
get all that.
if she
fucking-
definitely had the little spread on,
Y'all see this?
if you spread them on,
Stop.
Now, all
I
Okay.
feel weird.
Okay, well, I'm trying to let it dry. You have to let it dry.
If she put that, if she got a stick and spread it herself, she got to put tape on it too. You just get the stick,
And it's just dry and you rip it off.
and when it's dry, you rip it off.
Oh, that tight?
Everything coming off. You got the easy way,
Right, he got it the easy way.
but it still hurt.
It don't hurt him like I wanted to hurt him.
See, she bold as you.
I'm trying to get views. Let him know. You ready?
Nope.
On the count of 3. Don't run away. I want them to see your reaction. One more to go. Come on, son. Mommy loves you.
I'll be scared to put on deodorant.
Hold on.
Come on, one more.
Hold on.
Oh my God, you such a baby.
Hold on.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. He is such a baby. This one took more off than the last one. You is a baby. Man, I wish you would have got it all.
Alright, your
Like
turn.
ripped it from the. No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No. If you acted like that, then I can only imagine.
Come on.
Oh, you're supposed to wipe it off with one of these things because you're supposed to get that stuff off. And you still got her under there. Look at the right side. You ain't bald headed under your armpits. Only girl's supposed to be bald headed under there. Such a baby.
Man, she would have to interrupt, boy. That one gonna snatch everything off that come with it.
Man, that's okay because I'm gonna go get
First
some
snatch when you
good
gonna
stuff.
snatch it all. What you gonna be having a little piece?
Let me do your leg, Kevin.
No, it's to you.
I don't got no hair on my legs. I shave my legs.
Come on, your underarms.
No.
Yes.
No, I use a razor. This got like aloe vera on it, so it's supposed to help it from staining. Come on, Kevin. Come on, I'll give you money. Let me do your legs. You got some on your legs. Come here.
Money, Kevin. I'd rather do the legs than the armpit.
I ain't got no my legs.
You shave your legs, Kevin?
Do your arm then.
Where your hair? Oh, you got a little hair down here.
Do your arm.
Who?
Kevin, you got hair on your
I really got
arm?
her on.
Where's your hair at? You a man, right? Where's your hair? Come here, Melvin. You got hair
You
on
don't
your
want
legs.
no my hair. See?
Oh, Melvin got a lot on his legs.
You money, man.
Let me see.
Hey, man.
Where is your hair at, Kelvin? You got hair on your armpits?
No, I don't.
He got hair on his armpits.
No.
Come here, Kevin. I got that cool 10 for you.
Oh, wait.
Come on, Kevin. You don't want that $10? Why you so? It didn't even hurt that bad. Tell him.
I know it.
you is a baby. That did not hurt that
I
bad.
ain't said nothing.
See? It didn't hurt that bad.
Yeah,
It ain't the real wax like the stuff on the stick.
I know we'll wash yourself then.
Huh?
Right, why you didn't wash your arms?
No.
Now, how about you do it? We all
I'm
do
good.
it. We all
No.
can do it.
Nope, I'm good. Tell them how it felt.
It was cool.
So you was overreacting
Yeah.
because you let them hype you up.
You finna do it?
You gonna do it? You gotta pull them apart.
So what you put?
Once you pull them two apart,
Yeah,
why you ain't gonna do it? You can do yourself.
I know how it feels.
He good.
I ain't
Man,
want
it's
to
a-
cut off.
Come on, Kevin. You can do it yourself.
Oh, guys, you know what's gonna hurt when you keep trying to put your arm down yourself before it rip off and everything. You gonna know when it's gonna hurt, bro. On me. Especially
Man, y'all suck.
she
come on,
can lay it
Kevin, you
that.
don't want
Soon
that
as
money?
You close your arm, you gonna.
Hey, I get the money though.
It don't hurt that bad. Tell them.
I didn't say nothing.
Just tell them. Say it don't hurt that
You
bad.
do it. You do leg.
I'm not doing it, bro. I told you.
You can do it yourself.
It hurt. I ain't gonna want to touch it. Cause as you be trying to pull it slow.
All
you gonna
these
feel it hurt.
half-grown men in here, and they scared of a little bitty ass wax strip.
You grown. Why you won't do it?
Because I can't.
Yeah, you do it on your arms.
Right.
Well, I'm gonna end this out here, y'all.
No. Huh?
If you could please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.